Cut the cords and upgrade your setup. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or giving presentations, a solid wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver can change everything. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver options that deliver crystal clear video, zero lag performance, and plug-and-play simplicity. Watch the entire list, and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in together and find the perfect fit for your needs. Item number 5. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver system delivers stunning 1080p at 60 Hz resolution with a transmission range of up to 400 meters in open space. It supports one transmitter connecting to 5 receivers, making it ideal for live streaming, presentations, or events. The receiver includes a 7-inch LCD screen for real-time monitoring and features a battery compartment for true portability. With infrared control support, you can easily manage the source remotely. It's compatible with most HDMI devices like cameras, laptops, projectors, and TV boxes, perfect for weddings, churches, or outdoor use. Item number 4. This 4K wireless HDMI extender from Qkins transmits audio and video signals up to 200 meters in open space. No cables, no Wi-Fi, and no drivers required. It supports full HD 1080p at 60 Hz and 4K at 30 Hz resolutions, offering smooth, high-quality visuals. Compatible with Sony NP-F series batteries, it's perfect for cameras, laptops, game consoles, and more. The plug-and-play setup is fast and simple, saving time and installation costs. Ideal for live streaming, presentations, or home entertainment. This dual HDMI transmitter and receiver system makes big screen viewing effortless and eye-friendly. Item number 3. The VNN BBS WL083H WL083P wireless HDMI system delivers full HD 1080p at 60 Hz resolution with an impressive 400-meter range. It supports 1-to-5 transmission, letting one transmitter connect to 5 receivers simultaneously. The built-in 7-inch LCD display offers real-time signal monitoring, while battery compatibility ensures portability for outdoor use. With IR support for remote control and wide compatibility with HDMI-enabled devices like cameras, laptops, and TVs, this system is perfect for live streaming, events, and professional presentations, offering stable, plug-and-play wireless performance without cables or complex setup. Item number 2. The Lemorele wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers smooth 1080p at 60 Hz full HD video with a range of up to 200 meters in open space, featuring dual antennas and 2.4 to 5.8 GHz high-speed transmission. It ensures strong, stable signals with just 0.06 seconds latency. It supports up to 1 transmitter and 4 receivers, ideal for gaming, streaming, and presentations. With loop-out for local monitoring and IR remote control, it's perfect for TVs, cameras, laptops, and consoles. Enjoy hassle-free wireless HDMI with wide device compatibility and crisp, clear video anytime. Item number 1. The Lemorele R200 wireless HDMI extender features an OLED display, built-in fan, and plug-and-play design. No drivers needed. It transmits full HD 1080p video up to 200 meters with just 0.08 seconds latency and 0 signal loss. Supporting up to 1 transmitter and 4 receivers, it's ideal for shoots, streaming, or presentations. With 3 power modes, including USB-C and Sony NP-F series battery support, it's highly versatile. The compact design includes a cold shoe mount and provides a stable grip, making it perfect for professionals who value clean setups and mobility. Which of these wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.